GenAI for DevOps engineers, 30 days, real labs, real workflows. Launch price, $39, limited seats. This program is built to fix exactly that. Not theory, not buzzwords, not build chat. We focus on practical GenAI skills that directly map to real DevOps workflows. This is not a video-only course. You'll get guided, hands-on labs, real environments, time-bound, controlled access, exercises that mirror real DevOps plus GenAI usage. 30 Days of AI Agents is a hands-on program designed to help learners understand, build, and evaluate modern AI agents using popular open-source frameworks. Over 4 weeks, participants will build AI agents using tools such as N8N, Crew AI, Llama Index, LangGraph, and Small Agents. Duration 30 days. Format: live instructor-led sessions. Hands-on, yes, guided labs and exercises.
Let's look at question 15. You have a machine learning model deployed in a private VPC, and you need to access Amazon S3 for data storage and retrieval. To ensure that the data transfer remains within the Amazon Web Service backbone and does not traverse the public internet, which Amazon Web Service should you use? And then we have 4 options. Option A, Direct Connect. Option B, VPC endpoints for S3. Option C, Amazon Web Service CloudFront. Option D, S3 transfer acceleration. To solve this question, the first step is to understand the purpose of each option and then eliminate one that clearly doesn't fit. Identify the need for private connectivity. The requirement is to access S3 from a VPC while ensuring data does not traverse the public internet, indicating the need for a solution that keeps data transfer private within Amazon Web Service. Discard options like Direct Connect, CloudFront, and Transfer Acceleration, which do not provide the required private connectivity for VPC to S3 communications. Match the service to the requirement. Amazon VPC endpoints for S3 is specifically designed to provide this private connectivity, making it the correct choice. Let's take a look at each option one by one. Option A, Direct Connect. This service provides a dedicated network connection from your premises to Amazon Web Service, but it is not designed to keep data within the Amazon Web Service backbone when accessing S3 from a VPC. Option B, VPC endpoints for S3 is correct because VPC endpoints allow you to privately connect your VPC to supported Amazon Web Service services like Amazon S3 without requiring an Internet gateway, NAT device, VPN connection, or Direct Connect connection. With a VPC endpoint, the data transfer between your VPC and S3 stays within the Amazon Web Service network, ensuring that your data never traverses the public internet. Option C, CloudFront is a content delivery network CDN service designed to distribute content globally with low latency, but it does not ensure private connectivity to S3 within the Amazon Web Service backbone. Option D, Amazon S3 transfer acceleration. This service speeds up the upload of files to S3 over long distances, but does not guarantee that the data remains within the Amazon Web Service backbone. By applying this reasoning, option D is the correct answer.